Today's a very special week. Not only a special day, but a very special week. Gives us the chance to be grateful. Remind ourselves of all the amazing blessings that we have in our lives. And today, I want to share all the amazing blessings, all the things that I'm thankful for with you. I want to encourage you to say the things that you're thankful for. Say them out loud so that you can remind yourself all the amazing things that you have in your life. Let's be thankful together. Today I want to be grateful for my life. I want to be grateful for my senses, for the fact that I can see so many beautiful things around me, for the ability to be able to create an album of photos with my eyes, an album that I can carry in my heart with infinite memories with my family, with the love of my life, with my friends. I want to be grateful for my nose, for the fact that I can smell so many beautiful flowers out there, that I can smell so many different foods, so many delicious foods. I am grateful for my mouth, not only because I can use it to eat, but also because I can use it to speak words of wisdom, to build and not to destroy. To use words to give hope, to use words to encourage, to help. I am grateful for my hands, for the fact that I can use them to cook, to hug, to shake hands, that I can use them to hug someone that maybe needs a hug and does not have their loved ones close. I am grateful for all the things that do not make me perfect, for my insecurities, for all the times that all I do is complain, because that's exactly what makes me human. Whenever I discover something that is not so nice about me, that's exactly what reminds me that I have so much to work on, that I still have so many things to learn from others, but also that my experiences have made me who I am. I am grateful for my family, the fact that I have the most lovable, sincere family in the world. Even when I don't call them as much as I should, when I do, they remind me of all the beautiful memories that we have lived together. And they remind me of the importance of family. And they remind me that they're there for me. That whenever I need anything, they'll be there. Not to get discouraged, because the bad times will pass and great times will come. They remind me that I should fight for my dreams, that I should not give up. I am grateful for all my insecurities, and believe me, I have a lot. But that's exactly what makes me human. I am grateful for you that you're watching this video, for all the amazing messages that I get every day, messages of hope, messages of love from you. I am grateful for all the projects that I've participated in as an actress. I am grateful because I have God in my life, and because He teaches me the most valuable lessons. I am grateful for my dog, Gordy, because he gives me the most unconditional love.
I am so grateful for each and every one of my imperfections, because that's exactly what makes me perfect, and that's exactly what makes me human. I am so grateful that I am not scared to show myself exactly how I am. Just like when I wake up, without makeup, without having my hair too pretty. But I am also grateful that I like looking good, that I like using my hair, doing my makeup. I am grateful for all the times that I've cried and cried because things have not happened how I wanted. But I'm grateful because I've been able to get up and try again. And that reminds me that that's exactly what makes me human.